Hey, yeah, it's me, Natalie. Welcome to my channel, Madamglam Nails. So, today's video is a Madamglam haul. I got some gels and I'll do my Sparkle Supply February VIP box as well. Have you seen the new website for Sparkle Supplies? Oh, it's fantastic. Oh, she's done, yeah, and it's so easy to navigate. I'm not just saying that, but it genuinely is. So if you've not gone on to Madamglam's Sparkle Supply website, go on and have a look. Yeah, she's got some cracking stuff on there. You can use my link as well and my discount code NFM15, 15% off. Anyway, shameless plug. So I'm gonna swatch these gels that I got. So I'll show you. I'll show you one that I've already swatched. Oh, it's beautiful, and this is Crush Hour. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. I think these are part of the you know, the Valentine kind of lovey sets that they had out. So yeah, so that's one that I've swatched. It's that one. So the next one I'll do them first because I've got a few others besides. This is Stardust Kiss. I don't know what these are. Not opened them. I've not tried them, so I don't know. So let's have a look. Stardust Kiss. Oh, that's quite thick. Oh, it's got oh, that's nice, isn't it? Oh, that is nice. That's really. Oh, that's lovely. That is lovely. That's had 2 coats, by the way. I will put 2. Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. Do you know what? If you've got a really nice tan, you know, and you're going to the beach, something like that, or you're going to meet your girlfriends having a Pims, this is definitely a colour to have. Isn't that beautiful? It's so pretty. It is just gel, isn't it? It's nothing else. Yeah, it's just gel. Yeah, that is nice. That is lovely. Like I say, I haven't tried any of these, but I will give them 2 coats and a top coat. But so far, so good. I do like that. And that's gorgeous. So we will just kind of put it like that in some sort of order. I don't know. I'm trying not to knock my mic. It's still not sorted yet. So the next one is, what else did I get in that set? Secret Promise. Let's have a look at this. Now this is my kind of colour because I like very, very nude colours myself. And this is a very, very soft nude pink. I like their new brushes as well that Madamglam are using. I quite like that. It makes it easier to apply. Yeah, I do like that. It's really pretty. That's another nice colour. I'm trying to put them in order so I don't mix them up. And the last one was, oh, this one. Oh, this. Oh, this is Burning Love. What did I say? What that last one was called? Secret Promise. That one. This one's Burning Love. Like I say, they're all like a what's it theme, aren't they? Oh, do you know what? I've got tinnitus. Oh, does anybody else get that ringing in their ear? It's just come on all of a sudden. Oh, don't like that. It's gone now. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, that is so beautiful. Wow, that is nice, isn't it? So I'll give all these a second coat. It's not point me doing it online, is it? Online. Not point me doing it on camera. You've seen it a million times off everybody else. And I'm sure these have been out a few weeks now, aren't they? So that's Burning Love. Beautiful. Yeah. But I just got the 4. I think there was a kind of maybe 8 or more. Oh, I can't remember. But the other colour I got. So I just got them 4 out of that set. And these have come down now as well. Use my link. Let them know you're coming from me. Get Madamglam. So this is, I just got the, out of all the gels I've got, I haven't got a perfect orange. I've got perfect green, perfect blue, perfect red, perfect, well you'll see in a minute. So I'm just going to swatch this orange. Oh, it is a bit of a perfect orange, this, isn't it? Oh, wow. That's one of them oranges for summer, or one of them oranges that you want to use for Halloween, isn't it? It's a good all-rounder orange, that. Yeah, that is nice. That's, I'll put these over on this side. I'll put them in a minute. That's orange. I also got, because I haven't had it, believe it or not, I didn't have perfect pink either. So I thought I'll get one of the perfect orange and the perfect pink when I'm at it. I think did I get perfect? Yeah, I got the perfect yellow. Just gonna say. Oh yeah, it is. It's very pink. This. Do you know what it reminds me of? This. It's very similar to that royal pink that I use. Because I was running low. Excuse me. I was running low on that royal pink. And I thought, you know what? I'll just try the perfect pink. See what that's like. It's very similar. Very similar to this. So yeah. I'll just put that there next to it. Have any of you guys got any of these, like perfect orange and perfect pink? Now, the other one I got was this, which is, I know it's completely different, which is really reality check. Just instead of black, I just thought, again, try something different. Because it helps when you do that VIP thing, because it's like you're saving up for your gels then. I think this is like a jelly, I'm not going to lie. Yeah, it is, it's a bit of a jelly black. That's alright though. I mean, you know, you can put 2 or 3 layers on. Oh, I quite like that because, again, this will be very good for Halloween sets. Oh, I do like that. Yeah, it's very sheer. That's one thing I don't have a lot of, is jelly gels. That is very sheer, isn't it? Let's just try it on something. Oh yeah, you can see there, look how sheer it is. That'd be very good for like making ghost, you know, like a ghost effect. Put that there. Now the other thing is not a gel. Well, it is, but it's a blooming gel. So I'll bloom something and then we'll try that in a moment. So I'll just give these a second coat. That's that one. I'm going to have to write these down. I'm going to get mixed up. Oh, look at them. Look at them. They are pretty, aren't they? So write the name on them now. Let me just take off the sticky layer. Then write the name on, because I'll tell you, my brain, it's not the best. I'll just take the sticky layer off them all. So I can write on what they are. Give them a second layer, top coat them, and then I'll come back. Yeah, and then I'll be back, and I'll also give second layers on the others, and then I'll come back and then we'll try that blooming gel. Okay, so I've done all these, and I've given reality check 2 coats. So I'm going to try now the blooming gel. So I'm going to apply a coat of this blooming gel. And I'll probably use the pink or something, I don't know. We'll see. We'll just see what this is like. It's quite thick, I will say that. I just thought I'd do it on this one because I mean, you can bloom with base coat, I suppose, can't you, if you really wanted to. We'll just get some of the pink, I think. I'll just apply some dots or something, I don't know. We'll see. We'll just see what it's like. Let me use a lot. I do have a bit of a favourite blooming gel, but I just caught it. Can you believe I just caught my finger on that blooming gel? What a tool. We'll do that again. This time I shall move it out of the way. And try it again. But I do like these colours, they're really pretty. Is there a bit in that? Is that my eyes deceiving me? I think it's just my eyes. Alright, let's try this. We'll do this side because it's a bit big. And let's see it bloom. It don't matter, does it? It doesn't matter what it looks like. It's only for practice. It's a bit cold in this room again, but you know, we're not surprised, are we? Definitely blooming gel, that, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it's blooming. They're a bit of a hit, aren't the polka dots on things at the moment. Well, although these won't be polka dots once they bloom, they'll be, I don't know what they'll be, but we'll give it a couple of minutes. I think that'll be alright. I'm just going to try and spread them out a bit just to let them go a bit, you know what I mean? I don't want them to look like, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I just want them to look, I don't know, just like, not, well, I suppose it doesn't matter, does it? Oh, look, I've caught that one, never mind. We can make that into one, let's see it. Actually, it's not bad, this, because it's not bad, actually. That's blooming quite well. Right, I'll give that a minute or two to bloom a bit, because you'd have to anyway, wouldn't you? And well, that's, yeah. So I'm quite pleased with these. Very pleased with this little collection from Madamglam. So I'll leave that to bloom. Yeah, very pleased with them. And then we'll look at Sparkle Supply a VIP box for February. I know I'm a bit late, but let's have a look. Oh, that's nice. Burnt orange. It's pretty, isn't it? Burnt orange. What's it? Oh, that's nice. Glam Rock. Oh, that is nice, isn't it? That is glam as well. It's got like a black and then a deep purple, and then it's got like a shift from green to pink. It's really very, very pretty, that. What's this one? This one is from Fun Time. I'll say. Oh, that's like got like a holiday all over it, hasn't it? Fun Time. That's pretty. It's got, yeah, you could use that at Easter as well, couldn't you? It's got a green, a blue, a pink, a light blue. I think it's got a bit of red in it as well, and gold. That's pretty. Yeah, I like that. Oh, this is nice. Oh, Fortune. Oh, that is nice. Purple and gold. And that purple's hollow. Oh, that's lovely. Absolutely. I know I don't take them out, but because it'd be hard work trying to get them back in. And then there's two of these little ones. Let's see what these are. Oh, I know I'm going to love these. That's open. This one's called Aztec Laser. Oh, I'm going to love this. Aztec Laser Dust. Shall we look at this together? Oh, look at that. Look at that. Something out only a bit. Oh, you don't need a lot of that, do you? Look at that on me glove. That is beautiful. Let me just try and get a bit of this off. Is it open then? No, it's not. It's not. You don't need a lot of that. You really don't. That is lovely. And this is Amore Flakes. Do you know what? That's going to go well with that. Look at that. Oh, she knows how to mix these glitters, you know. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, should we check on this blooming gel? So that is VIP for Madamglam. I'm going to be careful with that because I don't want to lose any. It's really nice. Out of all them, I think my favourite is this Aztec Laser Dust. Stunning. Absolutely. Look at it. Is it leaking out, that? Is it me? Am I the problem? It's me. So let's have a look at this blooming gel. Well, that's bloomed really well, hasn't it? Yeah, you just top coat it and that's it. Bob's your uncle. So yeah, I'm really pleased. Yeah, really like this this set from February. Yeah, but I like purples and pinks and things, but I do love a good hollow. That's beautiful. Beautiful, that. So these are all the colours that I got with the... Oh, sorry guys, I've just smashed the microphone again. We'll get these first. I don't want to get anything on them. So there, and obviously the... Why is it so hard work just to hold them? Are you not capable? No. God. Right, there we go. Perfect pink should be over here. They're actually really nice, them, aren't they? Really, that's my favourite though. Really love that. I love that as well. Oh, in fact, I love all them. Gorgeous. So they're all the gels from Madamglam. That's all the glitters. Yeah, I think, yeah, because I've messed about with it a bit too much. But yeah, it's bloomed. That's alright. That's the blooming gel and the... Do you know what? I put reality check on that, didn't I? I'll have to do that one again. Yeah, finally, I'll just show you this. So, I was so impressed with that colour, this one. I did this. Ta-da! I got some nail on. But I'm not going to... I was initially, what I was going to do, I was going to do my other hand. Oh, because that's not done yet. I'll show you. These off, just glitter. So I've got to do this hand. And I was going to do that on camera, you know, film it while I'm doing it. But I've got to be that close up while I'm doing it. Otherwise, I can't see what I'm doing. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with them because I haven't had nails on for about 2.5 years. Maybe 3. So yeah, that's the first set I've had on. So I'm going to put this set on. I've been using this to put it on because I really love this stuff. Yeah, it's just like the other stuff and it's fantastic. It's so easy to use. I will do a set of me putting them on, just because I haven't put them on for such a long time. But yeah, so yeah, I hope you stayed till the end of the video so you see them. So let me know what you think, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I'm very impressed with these gels and stuff, and hope you come back again. Thanks for clicking on the video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, it's free. And yeah, hope you're all doing well. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.